Welcome back to my channel. So I'm so excited that I was able to upgrade from Filmora S to Filmora 11's lifetime subscription. Is any upgrade like Filmora 12, 24, I am into that because it's a lifetime. Okay, so it's not gonna expire, like it's not a monthly subscription. Okay, so I just closed my eyes like this and I bought the lifetime plan, so which I am so excited about. So editing with Filmora 11 is the best, it's even far better than the one in Filmora 10. Okay, so today I'm gonna share with you guys how I edit in Filmora 11. Okay, so we are out of Filmora 10, so I'm gonna show you with you guys how I edit that. So if you want to see that, then keep watching. So guys, the first thing I'm gonna do is to click on my Filmora 11 and put the ratio. So at this very moment, I'm gonna show you guys how I edit my Instagram makeup videos. Okay, so I choose the ratios and also import all the files like the YouTube tutorial that I did. So I'm gonna make sure that the format matches to the video recorded, because I recorded this particular video right here in the ratio, I think 60 frames per second. Okay, so now I crop it to the size, the Instagram size. So I'm basically gonna focus on direct, like the things that matters most in this tutorial. Okay, so as you guys can see, I'll show you guys the part that I'm gonna blend the products and all of that. So I'm not gonna put all of that into the today's video. Okay, so I'm basically focusing on the parts that matters so much. Like you wouldn't like to kind of bore your viewers with a lot of blending, contouring and all of that. So you just show them all the particular places that are needed. As you guys can see, each clip have small little clips. So here I'm cutting a lot of things out. It's just like showing my viewers the part that matters so much. So guys, in this tutorial I talked all throughout in this video. Okay, but because it's not Instagram tutorial, this is basically my YouTube tutorial, so I talked throughout the video. So this video was like it I think chit chat. Okay, so but I don't think I'm gonna post it because of I don't know, I'm just guessing. So I just talked throughout. That was why I wasn't able to do it like Instagram video. In this measurement, I don't think I'm gonna apply any transition like anything, okay? So because the cutting was very little, like there is no big thing, okay? So I just cut it, like it will show you part where I'm showing the foundation and all of that. So guys, this is the last part that I'm going to cut, so I'm going to play it for you guys to see how far we achieved it, and you guys can see it's very smooth, simple and fast as well. So I'm gonna put my logo, okay, which is Beauty by Chinny, the logo that you guys see me putting each time in my video. So that's the logo I'm gonna put in my video as well, so that when somebody's watching it, the person will know that it's me, okay? So I just added it there. So I think it's now time for me to play it back again. Okay, everything is very fine, so it's time to look for music. So I'm gonna search for music that can go with my video. As you guys can see here, Filmora have a lot of videos. They have about 230 something musics in their editing app. So I'm gonna look for the one that will match. I think I found one, okay? So this one matches together with the because it's it's not copyright, okay? So I think that's perfect. At the end, I do it, just reduce the volume because I didn't talk in those videos, so I need to put the volume of the music a little high. So I'm gonna go ahead to download it, and as you guys can see right here, it's downloading, and it's very fast because the the minutes is not big. I think it's 33 minutes, okay, because that's Instagram video. So guys, I'm just waiting for the download to finish, and boom, it's finished downloading. So I'm gonna play it for you guys to see the final result. And here you guys, that's basically all I do. Is not hard, it's very simple, simple. If you guys follow the step that I just showed you guys right now, you see that everything in there is so perfect, okay? So that's basically all I do to achieve that. So I hope you all enjoy watching it. So if you do, please don't forget to subscribe to the subscribe button, and also give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.